मोटेबारी बिजनेस वाले.
Dear friends, I hope most of you know me. I am B.R. Malhotra. I am having a factory here called Wakefield Products Company. I think I have met you a couple of times in some of the press conferences. The question is not of the proving any faith or proving anything in this Sahaj Yoga. It is an experience. It is an experience, please note it. And experience could be only with a seeker who is a true seeker. It cannot be taken by every damn Dick and Harry that just he feels that he should realize, he should see God, he should see realization, and he can see it. He has to be a true seeker first.
That's the point.
We cannot take every person on the street and we can ask him, please have it.
No, it's tomorrow Hitler comes and says, give me realization, otherwise
I would like to tell you my own case. In 82, I met Mataji in Delhi in one of the Rotary district conferences. I had never met her before. And I was to leave for my bypass surgery. Everything was set. Dr. Modi, Dr. Grant, Dr. Dorai Raj, these were the three cardiologists who were attending on me. Jashlok Hospital had taken all the graphies, whatever they wanted, and they had put me to go to Houston for my bypass surgery. On 15th January, my operation was fixed in 1982. And in that year, there was a lot of winter, so I got it postponed to 15th February. On 17th January, I was in Delhi, and I attended this Rotary District Conference where Shri Mataji was the speaker in the second plenary session in the District Conference of Rotary, which was inaugurated by Zail Singh. And on that day, I just met her and she spoke about this subject of this Kundalini awakening. And as a critical mind, I thought that it is not possible to avoid any surgery. But friends, I am telling you that I met her in Pune after 5 days. And in one sitting, I was completely cured to that much extent that my papers, the previous papers, when it was seen by the top cardiologists, Dr. Goel, Dr. Nattubai Shah, and all other cardiologists, they said these papers are not yours. The previous papers are not yours. This is an experience. Can anyone prove this? Except that the person who has
so many others, you tell them, Mrs. Patel.
After that, not
so
only one.
Friends.
Rahul Bajaj, my friend, he got an attack in Delhi. He knew my case. He phones me from Delhi. Bhai Sahab, I would like to meet Mataji. And luckily, I don't know how Mataji came on that day in Bombay from London. She was just on her way to Australia or some place.
Purva Punya.
I just took him there.
No,
and when Mataji saw, and Mataji said, you are cured. He said, no, I'll still go to America and get myself tested. When he got checked up, he was said, go, no need of any operation.
He was very angry. Kuli was very angry with
him.
He said, who has sent you these Jaspal people, Jaslok
and
people?
Leave aside this now. I'll tell you another case. My cousin in Delhi, now he has not even met Mataji. 3 years before, I was in Delhi and he had a severe heart attack. And he's, working in a government office, having a very meager salary of about 1,200, 1,500 rupees. He was asked to go for this bypass surgery. I was not knowing. When I was in Delhi, they said, could you possibly assist him in some funds, 30, 40,000 rupees he may need. I said, I don't mind. In Batra Hospital, I fixed up for him. But then I went to him and I said, wait, do you want really? You want to go for operation? Do you know my case? He said, I have heard, but I don't know what it is. I said, I can explain you. I explained to him. I took about half an hour to explain him my case. I told him, Mataji is not here, but you will have to come to the center. Because Mataji is very angry with me. I take all the patients to her. And she says, why the hell you bring patients to me? You see, you give them realization. When you have got the realization, you give them. But you see, I cannot see a person when he is in misery. And I feel my abundant duty. I know Ma will be a little bit annoyed with me. Never mind. I'll take her annoyance. I'll take even that brunt. But I'll see that if somebody who is in real misery, and if he could be taken to Mataji and if he could be cured, it's all right. This boy, Ved Malhotra, is in Delhi. I asked him to come to Dr. Talwar nursing home. Dr. Talwar is one of the biggest nursing home in Delhi. That Dr. Talwar is the devotee of Mataji. He became devotee because with experience. He was getting blind and he was cured. This Dr. Talwar nursing home, I asked him to come at 5:30. I'll be also there, and we'll see that I'll put you under the charge of Dr. Talwar. He will give you the Saj Yoga. When I reached at 6 o'clock, I came to know Mr. Ved Malhotra has again got an attack and he's again admitted in the Institute of Medical Sciences. I asked Dr. Talwar what is to be done. He said, you see, as you must have, when you will know more about this Saj Yoga, you will know that the person sitting over here can experience what the other person can have, the condition. He said, no, it is an attack, but he will be all right. He will come back, he will come around, and he will come here definitely, and we'll see to it that he is attended to properly. After 7 days, this man was discharged from the hospital. I went to him in the hospital, in the institute. I said, Ved, please go to Dr. Talwar, and will you please, now this is experience. Who can prove it? Go to Ved Malhotra and he will prove it. He has saved his 50,000 rupees. He is cheerful. He is happy, hale, hearty. He is writing to me, when Mataji is coming, please tell me, I want to only have her blessings, that's all. Because without even her presence, when I am sitting before her photograph, I have got my realization. These are experiences, not one, but hundreds I can narrate. At least one of the judges, I took her in at a breakfast table. She came for breakfast at my home. One of the judges in Pune, he had completely gone deaf. I said, Mataji, please, because he was daily meeting me in the morning at the swimming pool. I said, please come there. He came there, and Mataji just put her hand like this on that judge. बोलते ये बहुत गलत बातें सुनते रहते हैं, इसलिए इनके कान बंद हो गए. And she was just talking with us normally, everything. And after she removes her hand, she said, Jai Sahab, सुनाई दे रहा है? He was stunned, spellbound. These are experiences, gentlemen. These are all experiences in Saj Yoga. Not one, but hundreds could be explained. This is what I am telling you. It is my own self-experience. I am now working 18 to 20 hours a day. But till 1982, since I met Mataji, I was having 16 to 20 tablets per day. And my working schedule was only 4 to 6 hours in a day. Thank you very much.
See, now the thing is that, as he has told you,